Hello friends, in this video we'll talk about some applied aspects. First we talk about the perineal tear, the perianal abscess and anal fissure, and lastly episiotomy. First we'll speak about these three: perineal tear, abscess, perianal abscess and anal fissure. So in the perineal tear, what is it? Laceration of skin seen commonly in vagina of female during parturition. So there is a degeneration of the skin in the vagina when the delivery happens for the baby. Okay. And perianal abscess. What are the conditions we will see? Two conditions. One, when there is a collection of the pus in the anal canal, or when there are sexually transmitted infections or STIs. Okay. And anal fissure is observed in constipation. We know that physiologically in constipation we are not able to excrete out the feces, right? Very dry and solid feces will be there. When there is constipation, the anal lining in the anal canal, the lining will be torn, as in the lining epithelium in the anus will be torn. So that is called as anal fissure. Let us see episiotomy. So episiotomy is a surgical procedure where it is done when the organs enclosing the perineal membrane, the urethra, vagina and all these will be damaged. So for this, two incisions are given. We can see the median and the mediolateral incision. So references from where I took the pictures. That brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. And with this, we have finished the perineum unit. Thank you.